Hi, UPSSSC PET 2023 application process has been initiated by the Uttar Pradesh Subordinate Service Selection Commission on August 1, 2023. Candidates will be able to fill out the UPSSSC PET application form by August 30th. This video of shiksha.com brings to you the step-by-step process of how to fill the UPSSSC PET application form 2023. The first step is to visit the official website of UPSSSC, which is upsssc.gov.in. Candidates need to click on the candidate registration button to proceed the filling of application form. In the next step, you need to find the exam notification of PET 2023 and click on apply button. Candidates who have registered previously for the PET 2022 exam need to select yes in this stage and write their registration number so that portal can fetch their details automatically, whereas new candidates have to select no and start the registration process from beginning. Read instructions carefully, accept the declaration and submit. In the next step, you need to submit your personal details, age relaxation details, academic details, enter the captcha code and submit. The next step is to upload the documents. You need to upload the scanned image of passport size photograph and signature as per the required specifications. Now, in this step you need to fill the remaining details like your age proof details, preferential qualification details, address details. To submit it, please accept the declaration and click on submit button. In the last step, you need to pay the application fees. You can pay the application fees through online mode only by using credit card, debit card, net banking and UPI. Click here to pay the required fee to submit the application fees. Once the payment is done, take the print out of confirmation page and save it for future reference. This was all about the UPSSSC PET 2023 application process. Do subscribe to our Shiksha YouTube channel for more exam updates. All the best and keep learning.